Okay, so today I'm going to do the first startup of my training units in heat mode for heating season 2024-2025. I'm going to set the camera right here, and I'm going to see if I'm going to start up. Alright, so there it went. We're running in heat mode. Alright, that sounds about accurate. It is 67 degrees right now. I would have started this thing up this morning, but my mom said I couldn't, and then all of a sudden, as soon as I get home, I find it on heat mode. So I had to redo it. So yeah, that's why it's running in heat mode. It's 67 degrees. Alright. Looking good. As you guys are not on it yet. Flushing valve? Alright. I'll do this one. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Over and out.